I think this is the one that we saw on the picture, all this lah. See, got the cannon there some more.
Well,
Finally, we reach one of the most underrated places in Indonesia, which I have not been before. This is what called Kota Tua. Okay. This is the Dutch colony. Kota Tua. Okay. You see the cannons over there.
so we have come in a day.
No, but at night, I think maybe you have your lighted bicycles. I think. In the day, I'm not too sure also. What do they really have here actually?
Nothing.
There's Cafe Batavia. I think that time the one that Ling showed me, the hotel, is
it's
near
around here one.
I think it's around here. The expensive one.
How ex?
200 plus or 250 per night.
You go stingy fuck, go 2 days only what.
Shut up.
Really what? 2 days only what. $500.
$500 for 2 nights.
Yeah, okay what.
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, you see, you can see some of the people taking the photos.
Oh, that one is it's not that
Yeah
silver
lah,
guy.
the silver guy lah. Yeah. I'm buy from Mekan, but I got drone already.
You can fly here.
Later,
Nice, eh?
later come the drone come.
Later your drone missing. The key thought is the helicopter thing. Then he takes.
Mine. What's that? Oh, got one soldier there also. There in front there. There lah. Oh no, I don't know why. You check Batavia. The meaning is what? Is it some Dutch name? Batavia. Very familiar name. What it means?
Sorry, not this phone. This phone don't have internet.
Yeah, so we're searching the meaning of Batavia. So what does it mean?
Ancient district
Of the Netherlands, on the island mouth of the Rhine. So they call this place Batavia. Previously Jakarta is called Batavia, I think.
Really, man?
Try. Jakarta.
Oh, yeah.
Right, Jakarta.
Well done.
Jakarta's former name is Batavia, and this is one of the Dutch colonies over here, which we are visiting, and I have not visited for so many years. Never visited at all. I think guys, it's a nice place. So,
Finally get out of the slum.
yeah.
Nice.
You must go through 1 or 2 kilometers of slums before you reach this place. I want to try to fly the drone, but I'm scared.
menghibur panjenengan semuanya. Bareng sama The Best Sound Audio, bareng sama Mamang Production ya. Bareng
light bands and buskers all around Kota Tua. And it's going to start another song now, a dangdut song. There's also a few Dutch people over here checking back their generational information over here. Okay, let's enjoy another song again. Okay, so that's the end of the route of Kota Tua. We're gonna go back to the station to take our bluebird back to the hotel. So tomorrow we try to head down to Chinatown and see the second place that I've never been in Jakarta. See you there.